It's been spectacular in our Mars exploration, considering the way it started with thinking that Mars was very interesting, a potential habitat for life, sending the Viking there in '76. And essentially, Viking's overall conclusion was Mars looks cold, dry, dead. And essentially, Mars exploration for quite a while went in a moribund state until it kind of got revived with understanding of life here on this planet, where we were finding life in all sorts of extreme places that we consider extreme. And it kind of pointed to, well, maybe we didn't look at Mars in the right way. With that kind of lead-in, revitalized the Mars program and started a program of exploration in which we approached the planet as a planet to understand whether or not globally it has the right characteristics for something that could have supported life at one point in time or even today, and start looking at regional areas and basically get more and more specific about what do we really know about the planet, because you can't understand life unless you understand the environment in which you're looking. And so that has really been a revelation to planetary scientists in general of how we should approach looking at the planet. And it's just been fantastic the way the program has gone. And speaking as program scientists on Curiosity, we went there, we identified places that looked like they could have supported life. We sent a mission to one of them. We have all the right tools. We went through competition for selecting the tools that go to Mars. And essentially, we've already met our prime mission objective in identifying a place on Mars that we are pretty sure could have supported life at one point in time. And so the whole thing of looking at a sister planet, whether or not life could have started there, and getting a good handle on that is quite a spectacular finding. And one of the things I find most intriguing about it is we look at life here on this planet. It started early on. We're not quite sure when. We're actually not quite sure where, other than, yes, we have life on this planet. But early on, life started here. That was the same time that when we look at Mars, it had the right environment. It could have supported life. Life could have started there. So what happened? Did it or did it not? Well, one of the answers is, even if it didn't, it has a record of what was going on in the solar system when life started. So oddly enough, one of the things that we can learn from Mars exploration is actually how life got started on Earth.